Have you ever noticed how the simplest piece in your wardrobe can sometimes be the hardest to get right? That's exactly the case with the white blouse. It looks timeless, but if the cut or fabric is wrong, it can make you feel boxy, dated, or just plain uncomfortable. Let's fix that. Main section, a classic white blouse, is more than just a basic. It's the foundation of an elegant, versatile wardrobe for women over 50. The key is choosing one with thoughtful details that enhance your shape rather than hide it. Instead of stiff, oversized cotton that adds bulk, look for fabrics like silk blends, crisp poplin with stretch, or soft cotton sateen. These drape beautifully, smooth over the midsection, and give you that polished finish. Fit is everything here. The blouse should skim the body, not cling. French seams, gentle darts at the waist, or even a slightly curved hemline add subtle shape that flatters without feeling tight. For styling, pair your white blouse with dark straight-leg jeans and pointed flats for effortless daytime chic, or tuck it into a midi skirt with a slim leather belt for a more refined look. And here's a tip I always share. Roll the sleeves to just below the elbow. It visually slims the arms and instantly makes the whole outfit feel modern. The beauty of the white blouse is that it works everywhere, from casual brunch to business meetings, and it never goes out of style. One well-fitted piece can carry you through seasons and decades, making it a true investment in timeless elegance. Script Section 2. The Little Black Dress. The Little Black Dress, LBD, is the ultimate wardrobe hero because it adapts to every occasion. For women over 50, the key is not just owning an LBD, but choosing the right one, a cut that celebrates your shape and gives you confidence. Skip styles that are overly tight or skimpy. Instead, look for structured fabrics with a gentle drape. A-line, wrap, or sheath silhouettes are the most flattering, especially with details like three-quarter sleeves, a V neckline, or subtle ruching around the waist. These elements elongate your frame, balance proportions, and draw the eye upward. When it comes to versatility, no other piece works harder. Dress it up with heels, a statement necklace, and a clutch for an elegant evening out. Or layer it with a tailored blazer and flats for a polished day look. For casual occasions, soften it with a cardigan and ankle boots. The beauty of the LBD is its timelessness. It doesn't scream for attention. It whispers sophistication. One well-chosen dress can carry you through day to night, weekday to weekend, year after year, without ever going out of style. Section 3. Comfortable pants. Every elegant wardrobe needs comfortable, well-fitted pants, pieces that move with you while keeping their shape. For women over 50, the right pair of pants can be a game changer instantly, elevating your look while offering all-day ease. The key is to find structured fabrics with a bit of stretch. This ensures comfort without sagging or bunching. Styles like straight leg, wide leg, or gently tapered cuts create long, clean lines that flatter every body shape. High-rise or mid-rise waists work best, as they smooth the midsection and provide support where you want it most. Stick with classic colors, black, navy, beige, or soft gray, because these shades serve as a foundation for endless outfits. With a tailored blouse and loafers, they're perfect for work. Paired with a relaxed knit and ankle boots, they feel effortless for everyday wear. What makes comfortable pants a true staple is their balance of practicality and polish. You'll look put together without ever feeling restricted, making them one of the most versatile investments in your wardrobe. Section 4. Tailored blazer. A tailored blazer is one of those transformative pieces every woman over 50 should own. The moment you put it on, your outfit goes from simple to sophisticated in seconds. The secret lies in the fit. Look for a blazer that skims your body without pulling, with seams that gently define the waist and shoulders that sit perfectly in place. Neutral tones like black, navy, or gray are timeless, but don't be afraid to explore softer shades like taupe or cream for a modern twist. What makes a blazer so powerful is its versatility. Wear it over jeans and a white blouse for smart casual, pair it with tailored trousers for business, or layer it over a dress for instant polish. It's the kind of piece that works year-round, making you look structured, confident, and completely put together. When chosen well, a tailored blazer isn't just clothing, it's a confidence booster. It sends the message, elegant, sharp, and ready for anything. Section 5. Stylish cardigan. A stylish cardigan is the ultimate blend of comfort and elegance, and it's a must-have for every woman over 50. Unlike bulky sweaters that can overwhelm your frame, a cardigan offers a soft, flattering layer that moves with you and works in every season. The key is to choose cardigans with shape and intention. Long-line cardigans create vertical lines that elongate your figure, while waist-length cardigans pair beautifully with skirts and dresses. Neutral shades like beige, gray, or navy are endlessly versatile, while richer tones like burgundy or emerald add depth and sophistication. For styling, layer your cardigan over a crisp blouse and jeans for casual chic, or drape it over your shoulders with a dress for a touch of effortless polish. Look for lightweight knits in summer and cozy cashmere or wool blends in cooler months, so you always have the right balance of warmth and style. A cardigan isn't just about practicality. It's about creating those graceful layers that make your outfit feel complete without
sacrificing comfort. Section 6. Elegant maxi dress. An elegant maxi dress is one of the most versatile and flattering pieces a woman over 50 can own. It combines comfort, coverage, and style in a way that feels both effortless and graceful. The beauty of a maxi dress is how it skims the body, never clinging too tightly, while creating a long, lean line that elongates your silhouette. When choosing your maxi, look for structured fabrics or subtle tailoring at the waist to avoid that shapeless, baggy look. Solid colors like navy, black, or jewel tones bring sophistication, while small prints or soft florals can add personality without overwhelming your frame. For casual days, pair your maxi with flat sandals and a light cardigan. For evenings, elevate it with a statement necklace, a clutch bag, and elegant heels. And here's a tip. Maxi dresses with a V neckline or wrap detail work especially well for mature women, as they define the waist and flatter the neckline beautifully. This is the kind of piece that transitions seamlessly from summer garden parties to a dinner out, making it a true wardrobe hero. Section 7. Classic jeans. Every stylish wardrobe needs a pair of classic jeans. They're timeless, versatile, and can be dressed up or down for nearly any occasion. For women over 50, the key is finding jeans that fit comfortably, flatter your shape, and feel polished rather than trendy. High-waisted jeans are especially flattering because they smooth the midsection, provide support, and create a long, lean silhouette. A dark wash, like deep indigo or black, is the most versatile option. It works beautifully for daytime casual looks with a blouse and flats, or can be elevated for the evening with a blazer and heels. Avoid overly distressed or baggy styles, as they can look sloppy or overly youthful. Instead, focus on clean lines, minimal detailing, and a classic straight or slim leg cut. These styles elongate your figure and pair effortlessly with everything from silk blouses to cozy sweaters. Think of classic jeans as the glue of your wardrobe, always dependable, always chic, and the perfect foundation piece you'll reach for again and again. Section 8. Versatile skirt. A versatile skirt is another must-have for a polished, timeless wardrobe. The beauty of skirts lies in their ability to move seamlessly between casual and formal looks while offering comfort and femininity. For women over 50, the most flattering options are classic silhouettes like A-line, pencil, or midi skirts. An A-line skirt gently skims over the hips, creating balance and ease, while a pencil skirt defines your shape in an elegant, structured way. Midi lengths are especially chic. They offer coverage, elongate the legs,
and work beautifully in both warm and cool seasons. When choosing a skirt, stick to solid colors or subtle patterns like pinstripes or small checks.
These styles are timeless, easy to pair with blouses, sweaters, or cardigans, and ensure you get maximum wear from a single piece. For an everyday look, pair a neutral A-line skirt with a tucked-in blouse and ballet flats. For evenings, style a black pencil skirt with a silk blouse, blazer, and heels. It's polished, refined, and effortless. The versatile skirt is all about options. It adapts to your lifestyle while keeping you chic and confident. Ladies, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope these wardrobe staples inspired you to refine your style and reminded you that confidence comes from choosing pieces that truly work for your body and lifestyle. Fashion over 50 isn't about chasing every trend. It's about building a foundation of timeless essentials that make you feel elegant, comfortable, and effortlessly chic.